Looking to upgrade your Polaris ATV with a receiver that handles heavy towing and tough terrain? This frame-mounted receiver is designed exactly for that. Engineered for ground engagement and built tough, it's your reliable partner when the trail demands more from your ride. I installed this receiver on my 2014 Sportsman 550 X2 EPS, and it fit perfectly right out of the box. The powder-coated steel construction not only looks solid but holds up against the roughest off-road conditions. What really stands out is how it's made in the USA, ensuring quality and durability you can trust on every ride. The package comes complete with all the mounting hardware you need, making installation straightforward. It fits a wide range of Polaris models, including the 550 Sportsman, 2010 to 2014, 850 Scrambler, 2013 to 2019, 1000 XP Sportsman, 2015 to 2019, and more. That means no hunting for extra parts or worrying about compatibility. One user shared how the receiver held up even after a tough hit on a large route while towing a Groundhog Max. Though the bottom edge bent slightly, it was due to extreme use rather than a flaw in the product. Minor tweaks like adding a collar can easily restore it to perfect condition. This feedback shows the receiver's resilience and adaptability under real-world conditions. If you're serious about off-road towing and need a receiver that won't let you down, this frame-mounted option deserves a close look. It's built for the challenges of rough terrain and heavy loads, giving you the confidence to tackle any trail. Worth a look if you want a no-fuss, durable towing solution that fits your Polaris ATV seamlessly. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your towing game with a product designed to perform and last.